Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 1st of May 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 1st of May 2021. Our first question is, which of the following day is celebrated as International Dance Day? Answer is option number 3, April 29th. Every year, April 29th is celebrated as International Dance Day. It is a day to celebrate the spirit of dance and to appreciate this wonderful art form and also to raise awareness about the benefit of dance. So answer will be option number 3, April 29th. Next, who among the following has become the first Indian woman to receive Wild Innovator Award? Answer is option number 1, Kirti Karanth. Look at the image. This is Kirti Karanth and recently she has become the first woman to own the Wild Innovator Award. She has also become the first Indian and first Asian woman to win the Wild Innovator Award. So answer will be option number 1. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the first woman commanding officer of Border Roads Organization? Answer is option number 3, Vaishali Huse. Vaishali Huse has recently been appointed as the first women commanding officer of Border Roads Organization. What is Border Roads Organization? It is also called BRO and it is a road construction executive force in India that provides support to and is a part of the Indian Armed Forces. BRO develops and maintains road networks in India's border areas and friendly neighboring countries. It was formed on 7th of May 1960, headquarters is in New Delhi and currently Director General of BRO is Lieutenant General Rajiv Chaudhary. So answer will be option number 2. Next, which of the following cities will host the Asian Boxing Championship 2021? Answer is option number 2, Dubai. International Boxing Association has recently announced that the Asian Boxing Championship 2021 will be hosted in Dubai from May 21st to 1st of June 2021. Earlier, it was scheduled to be hosted by New Delhi, India from May 21st to 31st, but due to increasing cases of COVID-19 in New Delhi, it has been scheduled in Dubai from May 21st to 1st of June 2021. So answer will be option number 2, Dubai. Next, who among the following has recently become the first batsman to hit 50-50s in IPL? Answer is option number 1, David Warner. Look at the image. This is David Warner. He is captain of Sunrisers Hyderabad in IPL and he recently has become the first cricketer to hit 50 half centuries in the IPL or Indian Premier League during the IPL 2021. And Delhi Capital opener Shikhar Dhawan is placed second in this list with 43 50s, while RCB captain Virat Kohli is ranked third with 40 half centuries in IPL. So answer will be option number 1, David Warner. Next, cabinet of which country has recently approved a ban of face covering in all public places? Answer is option number 3, Sri Lanka. Cabinet of Sri Lanka has recently approved a ban of face covering in all public places in Sri Lanka. So answer will be option number 3, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, look at map. This is Sri Lanka. Capitals of Sri Lanka are Sri Jayawardenepura Kotte and Colombo. President is Gotabaya Rajapaksa. PM is Mahindra Rajapaksa and currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan rupee. Next, in which of the following city Reliance Foundation has announced to set up a 1000 bedded COVID care facility? Answer is option number 1, Jamnagar. Jamnagar is in Gujarat and recently Reliance Foundation has announced to set up a 1000 bedded COVID care facility with oxygen supply in Jamnagar. All services will be provided free of cost to the citizens and the entire cost of setting up and running the facility will be borne by Reliance. So answer will be option number 1, Jamnagar. Next, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by HIS Market? Answer is option number 1, 9.6%. What is HIS Market? It is a global leader in information analysis and solutions for the major industries and markets that drive economies worldwide. Its headquarters is in London in UK and it has recently projected that the GDP growth rate of India in the current financial year will be 9.6%. So answer will be option number 1, 9.6%. Ninth question is, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of ASICS? Answer is option number 1, Ravindra Jadeja. ASICS, it is a Japanese multinational corporation which produces sports equipment designed for the wide range of sports. It was founded in 1949. Headquarters is in Kobe, which is in Japan, and it has recently appointed Ravindra Jadeja, the all-rounder of Indian cricket team and Chennai Super Kings, as its as its brand ambassador? So answer will be option number 1, Ravindra Jadeja. This is Ravindra Jadeja. Next, DRDO has recently conducted a successful maiden test firing of the fifth generation Python 5 missile. Python 5 is a dash missile. Answer is option number 1. Python 5 is a air-to-air missile, and the DRDO, or Defense Research and Development Organization, has recently successfully test fired the fifth generation Python 5 air-to-air missile from Tejas aircraft at Goa. This adds the Python 5 air-to-air missile in the air-to-air weapons package of India's indigenously developed light combat aircraft Tejas. So answer will be option number 1, air-to-air missile. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by ADB, that is Asian Development Bank? Answer is option number 3, 11%. WHO, that is World Health Organization, has unveiled the global immunization strategy led by the United Nations to reach around 50 million children by dash. Answer is option number 4, 2030. What will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by Oxford Economics? Answer is option number 2, option number 3, 10.2%. Who among the following has been recently appointed as the non-official director of the Central Board of RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India? Answer is option number 3, Ajay Seth. Who among the following is the new MD and CEO of NCDEX, that is National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange Limited? Answer is option number 4, Arun Raste. Which of the following company has been included in the Times 100 most influential companies? Answer is option number 4, both 1 and 2, that is Byju's and Jio. Seventh question was, which of the following company has announced help of rupees 135 crore for India to fight the COVID-19 crisis? Answer is option number 3, Google. Who is the author of the book titled Whereabout? Answer is option number 1, Jhumpa Lahiri. Which of the following day is celebrated as the International Chernobyl Disaster Remembrance Day? Answer is option number 1, April 26. Which of the following state has become the first state in India to complete 1.5 crore COVID-19 vaccinations? Answer is option number 3, Maharashtra. Which of the following country has included Mahabharata and Ramayana in the school curriculum? Answer is option number 3, Saudi Arabia. And now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as National Panchayat Raj Day in India? Answer is option number 3, 24th April. Every year 24th April is celebrated as National Panchayat Raj Day in India. Now today's question is, who among the following has been recently awarded with the Nelson Mandela World Humanitarian Award 2021? Options are Ramna Sehgal, Sharan Kumar Limbale, Sharad Pagare, and Rumana Sinha Sehgal. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.